Welcome to my channel! Ayan, nandito na naman kami sa dagat. Ayan, ano yung mga alaga ko pero hindi kami maliligo. Lakad-lakad lang. Ayan yung alaga ko. Talakan! Ayan. Ayan, si Amo nagpunta doon sa restaurant. Titingin daw ng makakain. Ayan. Ayan. Nandito lagi na lang dito sa dagat. Ayan, ang sipsip natin. Ang sarap maligo. Maraming tubig ngayon. May alon. Hindi gaya nung nakaraan. Walang alon. Sayla, come here! Sayla! Katya, stop running! You wet already! Wala pa naman kaming dinalang bihisan. Kasi sabi ni Amo, wag na. Ayan. Ayan, nakikapaglaro sila ng bubbles. Ayan, sarap maligo. Wala nang dalang damit. Ayan. Nakikapaglaro yung alaga ko dito. Hey, Katya! What are you doing? You're wet already. Stop running and running. Ayan. Ayan. Ang sarap sana mo po. Oh. Nagdala sana ako ng damit. Ay, laking dagat. Ayan. Ay, sa dagat. Ang ganda ng dagat. Ayan. May baka doon. Oh. Ay, kalabaw. Wala yung mga baka pero may isang kalabaw. Nag-iisang kalabaw. Ayan. Sayla, don't sit. You don't have extra clothes. Ayan. Ayun yung alaga ko naghahabol ng bangis. Sayla, don't go far. Daming bangis. Nakikipaglaro sila. Kot-kot tayo ng clams. Kung may makot-kot tayo. Ayan. Sarap maligo. Ayan. Wala ang damit. Ay. Ayan, bundok. 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 Katya, Sayla. Kikipaglaro sila. Ay, dagat. Bundok. Bundok, bundok. Bundok, bundok. Ayun yung daan papuntang Big Buddha. Ayun. Sa taas. Papuntang Big Buddha. Nandun yung kalabaw nakahiga. Katya! Try nating magkut. Try nating magkut-kut ng magkut-kut ng Yeah, but you can play in the on the water. Hey, don't sit in the water. You don't have clothes. I told you. Don't sit in here, go there. See, basa na rin yung bag ko. So talaga dapat. Why you wanna draw?
I'm drawing a girl.
Okay. Who's that? You? You? Is that you?
There.
Who is that?
That's somebody you don't know.
Mommy? Sayla, come here, baby. Don't wear your pants. Sayla. Who's that?
Nobody.
You say
Salo, this is.
you said you draw Cheche. Whose Cheche is that?
You.
You? Me? Oh my! You draw Cheche. Huh? Hey, Sila, where did you get your toy?
It's the suffering to be.
Yeah. See the cow, the Carabao. The Carabao. Carabao. You want to go to the Carabao? Huh?
No.
Yung alaga kong isa. Busy. Basa na yung salawal niya. Wala kaming wala kaming pampalit. I don't know, do you check the restaurant? Ayan. Ayan. Yung
I need to wash this.
Don't go deep. Careful. Ayan. See, Sila. Hey, be careful. Sila, what are you doing, baby? You're digging? Huh? You're digging? Why are you digging? Huh? Sila? Baby? I saw your bum bum. I can see bum bum of Kate. Sila.
I can do gymnastics on the beach.
How? How? One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3. Ah, be careful. What else? Only like that? Sila, your bum bum got wet. Sila. Sila. Sila here. One more time, Kate. One more time, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Yan, nag-gymnastic kasi siya. Be careful, don't wipe your hands or your pants. Get dirty. Hey! You're trying to bend. Bend lang. Try to bend. Kasi. Oh. Sila, what are you doing, baby? Why are you so busy?
Could you help me flip my back and then I'll show you something?
No, cannot.
No, can you help
No, I can't.
get down?
No. Thank you. You're sharing your toy. See? Someone share your toy, right?